So here's the SamCart Instagram channel, and like a lot of you guys, we have a Linktree where you click on the link in bio and you see a bunch of stuff to go and buy. Looks great on mobile, but the question is, how can I turn more followers into paying customers? We'll show you exactly how to do that using Linktree, one free app, and SamCart's new Checkout Anywhere products. So go to the Linktree marketplace and look up Product Gallery. It's a free app. You go ahead and add it to your Linktree account. And so when you come back to Linktree, you'll have a brand new thing waiting for you, right? So this is your store description. Say, come and check out my best sellers. And so here's what I would recommend is we're gonna go ahead and just add a couple of products to this. So all I need is to go back to SamCart and get this product URL very quickly. So I'll go back to my SamCart account. I'm on the products tab, and I'm just gonna go ahead and search for, we had one product that we're gonna use right here. I'm gonna open that product. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the Checkout Anywhere tab, and that is where I'll have these options for Embed or Express. Express is what I want, right? Grab Express, grab this URL. I'm grabbing the URL to our lightning fast, ultra clean, newest checkout technology, that this experience right here. Stored credit cards, one-click Apple Pay and Google Pay. You got Affirm and Klarna, buy now, pay later options, all that good stuff. And I can just head back over to Linktree. I'm gonna drop that link in there. And then it's gonna ask me just go ahead and add a product image and a quick price. I'll go ahead and do that now. So I've got my first product. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 more of my best-selling products. Our recommendation is whatever products you put here, whatever offers, whether it's 1 or 2 or 3, make sure that they're easy to say yes to. This is not the place where you're gonna go and sell some $1,000 a month coaching package or some big mastermind service or something. Put stuff here that is easy to say yes to, that social media followers can say, okay, cool, yeah, that's awesome. I totally understand what that is. Maybe it's a sale you're talking about. Maybe it's something just easy to grab, it's cheap, whatever that is. Make them easy to say yes to. Let me go ahead and add 2 more products right now. And then the last thing you want to do is come to this layout tab. Layout is where you kind of decide, is it expanded? Is it big? Is it small? Is it whatever? I like the carousel look personally, right? I like something that's a little more visual. It's going to take up more space on the page. And it's just more, you get to use the images. It's visual. It's going to get a lot more clicks on it like that. And so now that I have that and it's turned on, if I go back to SamCart's Linktree and just refresh the page, what you'll see is a number of quick hitting awesome carousel links. It's gonna look great on a mobile device. And when someone clicks, they're gonna be taken right over to a lightning fast experience. Again, this experience looks awesome on mobile. If I go back and click on the course creation challenge one, is probably the most flushed out with order bumps. And if I go back over here and click on this example trial SamCart thing, you guys can see here's the most flushed out example, right? Where we have order bumps where customers can go buy more. You could send somebody here with a discount code automatically applied. You could have different payment methods, the one-click Apple Pay, stored credit cards, all of this awesome stuff available for you guys right off of Linktree. So more people can go from, I'm following you on Instagram, I'm gonna click your link in bio, I've got a big bold area to showcase your best-selling front-end offers. Someone clicks, page loads in a lightning instant, right? Add more to their order and they're off to the races and buying. This Checkout Anywhere stuff, SamCart Express, I'm showing you right here. We also have Embed and Slide Out are converting 51% higher than other SamCart stuff, which was already industry leading checkout conversion type stuff. So that is how you're gonna connect SamCart and your Linktree to make sure you are converting as many social media followers into paying customers as possible.